All right. So let us solve the question number 17. The sample of an ideal gas is taken through the cyclic process ABC. Figure is given below. Fine. It absorbs 50 joule of heat during the part AB. Okay. Fine. It absorbs 50 joule of heat during the part AB. Heat absorbed. Positive, negative. Huh? Heat absorbed during the part AB. Positive, negative. Absorbed. Plus, minus. P or N. Huh? Heat absorbed is positive. Heat released negative. So AB या पार्ट मध्ये जी काही हीट ऍब्सॉर्ब झाली आहे बाळांनो, that heat is positive. Heat is absorbed म्हटले ना, so it is positive. Fine sir. It absorbs 50 joule of heat during the part AB. No heat during the part BC. No heat during the part BC. So BC is adiabatic process. BC is adiabatic process. BC is adiabatic process. Okay. And rejects 70 joule of heat during CA. Rejects 70 joule of heat during the process CA. Positive, negative. Rejects 70 joule of heat during the process CA. Rejects बाहेर पडली negative. So CA ची heat negative minus 70. पुढं 40 joule of work is done on the gas. Now here comes the word work is done on the gas. In the data they have given work is done on the gas or work is done by the gas. Now here you should go for the sign convention. Okay. 40 joule of work is done on the gas during the part BC. 40 joule of work is done by the gas, on the gas. 40 joule of work is done on the gas. Positive, negative. 40 joule of work is done on the gas during the part BC. WBC is P or N. 40 joule of work is done on the gas. It is 40 joule of work is done on the gas. I still received two answers wrong. It is work is done on the gas, so it is negative. Okay, it is negative. Fine. It means gas has been compressed, work has been done on the gas. So from the given data we shall write it as minus 40 joule. Next, bit number A. Find the internal energy of the gas at point B and C. Internal energy at point A is equal to question mark. Internal energy at point B is equal to question mark. Okay, we are given a gaseous system. Entire system is a gas. So gas laws are applicable. NCV, delta T, those things are applicable. Ideal gas they have said. Find the internal energy of the gas. See, don't get confused. You are not asked internal energy change. You are not asked internal energy change. They are asking you internal energy. Find the internal energy of the gas at point B and C if it is 1500 joule at point A. Okay, internal energy at point B is equal to question mark, C is equal to question mark, given that internal energy at point A is 1500 joule. Is 1500 joule. Okay. And bit number B, this is bit number A, and the bit number B is what? Calculate the work done by the gas during the part CA. आता गम्मत बा. Calculate the work done by the gas during the part what? During the part CA. Now you cannot say that WCA, sir, they have said work done by the gas during the part CA, so that must come out to be positive. असं नाही. त्यांनी आता तुम्हाला वर्क डन विचारले. That can come out to be positive or negative. Are you getting this? Reply me in the chat box. Okay. 11वी 12वी मध्ये तुम्ही थोडंसं इंग्लिश पण शिकायचं आहे. Now they are saying find out the work done by the gas in the part CA. That can come out to be positive or negative. Here they have said that work is done on the gas. 40 joule of work is done on the gas. Here we shall take it as negative. And here it may come out to be positive or negative. We don't know. Fine. So is this word problem clear? Numerical physics चे आता clear व्हायला लागले का? ज्याला डेटा एक्सट्रॅक्ट करता येतो आणि जो लेक्चरला लक्ष देतो त्यासाठी हे सगळं अगदी सिंपल असेल. ओके, सो यू जस्ट प्रॅक्टिस दोज टू थिंग्स. कितीही कंटाळा आला तरी लेक्चरला लक्ष द्यायचंच. इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट लेक्चरला असलीच पाहिजे. दॅट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दॅट यू शुड डू ऍज अ स्टुडंट. अँड सेकंड थिंग इज यू शुड प्रॅक्टिस as many MCQs as possible. Okay, fine. So let's start to solve the question. So do we have any idea how to go for solving this kind of question? See, this is the data that you should derive. Okay, they have written cyclic process, so immediately you shall write it like this. Now let us draw that cyclic process. Let us try to draw that cyclic process. The cyclic process is a pressure volume curve. Okay, so we are given pressure volume indicator diagram. It is something like this: C to A to B, like this. This is C, this is A, this is B. Now we can observe that C to A is isobaric process. C to A is isobaric process, that is observation. A to B is isochoric process, that is also observation. B to C is the adiabatic process. Okay, so A to B by observation isochoric, A to B isochoric. B to C given that it is adiabatic, B to C given that it is adiabatic, and C to A observation, it is isobaric, observation. Fine, so this is the observation that you need to perform. Okay, or these are the observations that you should write here, that AB is the isochoric, BC is the adiabatic, and CA is the isobaric. This is an anti-clockwise process. So total work done, this total work done anti-clockwise should be a positive or negative value. Total work done in the process ABCA, just like work change in internal energy in the process ABCA is 0, just like that. Work done in the process ABCA, enclosed area enclosed inside the graph, will be positive or negative. It's a anti-clockwise cycle, it is going to be a negative value, correct? Fine. Now work done in the process CA, work done in the process CA will be positive or negative. Here we didn't know whether the work done in the process CA was positive or negative, but from the graph we can say that work done in the process CA will be positive or negative. From the graph, volume increased, work done positive, volume increased, work done positive, volume increase, C2A process, so work done is going to be a positive value. So now we know that this is going to be a positive value. Fine, sir. Now to solve this question there is one method. Okay, now let me write. What is that method? Let me write. This is a typical question. Okay, and for that I think around 2 or 3 years before I have developed one method which is something like this. Okay, so what you have to write is, you have to go with the first law of thermodynamics, and what you have to do is something like this. Try to understand. Here you will write process AB, then here you will write process BC, here you will write process CA, and here you will write process ABCA. Okay, here you will write delta U, here you will write W, and here you will write Q. Okay, now see how the chart is made. Okay, addition of these two is going to be W. Addition of all the internal energies is going to be the internal energy change in the entire process. Addition of all the work done will give you overall work done in the cycle. Okay, vertical addition will give you the heat, and horizontal addition will give you here it will give you change in internal energy, here it will give you total work, here it will give you total change in internal total heat exchanged. Okay, so let us try to write the data. Do we have the data of internal energy of AB? Tell me, do we have the data of change in internal energy of AB? What is the data that we have? Do we have data of internal energy at point A? Let me write down that data, otherwise you people are generally not replying, so it's better that I write the data again. That will save our time. A sample of ideal gas is taken through the cyclic process ABCA. So U delta U of ABCA is equal to 0. This was the data we already had. Okay. Then 50 joule of heat, it absorbs 50 joule of heat during the part AB. AB मध्ये 50 joule of heat absorbs झालेली आहे. Okay. It rejects 70 joule of heat during the part CA. During the part CA, it rejects 70 joule of heat. Everything is in joule. Everything is in joule. Fine. Then 40 joule of work is done on the gas during the part BC. During the part BC, 40 joule of work is done on the gas. So minus 40 joule. Okay. Then what they have written is this. Find the internal energy at point B and at point C. Internal energy at point B, internal energy at point C is equal to question mark. Internal energy at point A is given. It is equal to what? It is equal to 1500 joule. Internal energy at point A is given 1500 joule. Fine. Then calculate the work done by the gas during the part CA. WCA is equal to question mark. Okay, WCA is equal to question mark. Okay, let's put this data. WABCA, sorry, delta U of ABCA, delta U of ABCA is equal to 0. Okay, Q of AB, Q of AB, Q of AB is 50. Q of AB is 50. Okay, you may use the brackets. Okay, or for positive number, no need of bracket. Q of process AB is 50. Q of process CA, Q of process CA is minus 70. Is minus 70. For negative number, let us use the bracket. Work done of the process BC, work done of the process BC, work done of the process BC is minus 40. Let us use the bracket. Then internal energy at point A. No, internal energy we cannot write in this chart. We can write change in internal energy. Okay. So first of all, put this entire data in this table. Let me know in the chat box. See, the table is made like this only. Okay, असाच table करायचा आहे. Because in this table you can add these values and can get this value. You can add these values and can get this value. Horizontal and vertical addition is possible. So only this type of table is to be made. एकदा टेबल क्लियर झाला का बघा बाळांनो. This data I just put in the table. 0, 50, 70, 40. 0, 50, 70, 40. एकदा क्लियर झालं की सांगा. So that I can put this data in the table. हा तर टाकायचाच आहे. गिवन डेटा टाकायचा आहे. त्यानंतर ऑब्झर्वेशनचा डेटा पण टाकायचा असतो. दोन मेथड्स आहेत. दोन डेटा सबमिशन आहे आपल्याला. एक डेटा सबमिट केला आपण या टेबलला. ओके. Now let us submit this data. It is an isochoric process. What do we know for isochoric process? Sir, for isochoric process, work done is 0. So W of AB is 0. W of AB is 0 because it is isochoric process. जो data आपण substitute करतोय, let us put that data in square bracket. Okay, so that we can identify given data by them. And the data that we put, the data that we are putting, we will put that in square bracket. So it's a isochoric process. So work done in the isochoric process is 0. Work done in the isochoric process is 0. Now BC is the adiabatic process. BC is the adiabatic process. So for adiabatic process, heat exchange is 0. Heat exchange is 0. For adiabatic process, heat exchange is 0. This is actually, I think, given also. No heat is absorbed during the part BC. Okay, so this is actually given also. And For the process CA, it's an isobaric process. CA process is the isobaric process. Which data we have for isobaric process? No, we don't have any data here for any kind of isobaric process. Up to this, is that clear? Reply me in the chat box. Up to this, this is the only data that we put in this that we put, and this is also हे सुद्धा आपणच पुटअप केलंय. हे आपण पुटअप केलंय. This is what we interpreted. Okay, this was all other things were given. This is what we interpret from isochoric, and this is what we interpret from cyclic process. Okay, so try to understand. Now this plus this is equal to delta U plus W is equal to Q. Delta U plus W is equal to Q. Therefore this must be, tell me now, curly bracket, tell me, this plus this equal to this must be what? 50. This must be 50. Okay, this plus this must be equal to this. This plus this must be equal to this. So curly bracket, कॅल्क्युलेशन कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहायची. त्यांनी जे दिलंय राउंड ब्रॅकेट, आपण जे पुट अप केलंय स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट, कॅल्क्युलेशन्स कर्ली ब्रॅकेट. व्हॉट शॅल आय राइट हियर? दिस प्लस दिस इक्वल टू 0. This plus this equal to 0 means plus 40. Plus 40. Now this two cannot be filled. These two cannot be filled. So fill it like this. This plus what equal to 0? This plus what equal to 0? This plus what equal to 0? Minus 90. Perfect. This plus what equal to minus 70? This plus what equal to minus 70? इथं काय लिहू? plus 20 minus 20. कन्फ्युज व्हायचं नाही. Addition equal to this. So here I shall write plus 20 or simply 20. Okay, fine. This plus this equal to this. Overall heat in the system, ABCA, overall heat of the cycle, this plus this, okay, this of delta U of cycle plus W of cycle equal to minus 20, minus 20. Okay, so in the entire process delta U 0. In the entire process delta U is 0. Q किती आला? minus W. Q minus W आला. What does that mean? Q is equal to minus W. Heat is ultimately given by the system in the cyclic process. Complete cycle झाल्यानंतर ultimately overall system चा Q किती आला? ABCA cycle चा Q किती आला? minus 20 आला. म्हणजे एका सायकल मध्ये तुमच्या सिस्टीम मधनं हीट किती बाहेर पडली? व्हॉट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट? सी, दिस मायनस साइन इंडिकेट्स दैट 20 joule of heat comes out of the system in one cycle. 20 joule of heat comes out of the system in one cycle. It is this, and this W equal to minus 20. It means that work has been done on the system. कारण सिस्टीम कॉम्प्रेस झाली आहे म्हणून ते निगेटिव्ह आले, असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. सर कॉम्प्रेस तर नाही झाली, व्हॉल्यूम तर तोच आहे. म्हणजे सायक्लिक प्रोसेस आहे, परत व्हॉल्यूम, टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर सगळं सेमच झालंय, पण तरीही वर्क डन येणं पॉसिबल आहे. आयसोकोरिक प्रोसेस कुठे आहे? कम्प्लीट सायक्लिक प्रोसेस आयसोकोरिक कुठे असते? नाही. बट वी मेड इट शुअर दॅट दिस इज अँटी क्लॉकवाईज प्रोसेस. सो अँटी क्लॉकवाईज प्रोसेस साठी प्रोसेसचं जे काय वर्क डन येणार, एंटायर प्रोसेस एबीसीएचं जे काय वर्क डन येणार, दॅट डब्ल्यू शुड बी निगेटिव्ह. येस, एबीसीएचा डब्ल्यू बाळानो निगेटिव्ह आला. इज दिस क्लिअर? इज दिस क्वेश्चन क्लिअर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? नाउ एनीथिंग कॅन बी आन्सर्ड. जे विचारू शकत असतात ते सगळं आपण या चार्ट मध्ये फिल केलं. Whatever they could have asked, all those things we have simply calculated in this chart. So they could have asked Find out the change in internal energy in the process CA. It is minus 90. Find out the change in internal energy in the process BC. It is 40. काहीही विचारा, सगळं सांगता येते. This is very similar to that 1 to 9 problem. Have you seen this kind of problem? You have to arrange the numbers in such a way that 1 to 9, 1 to 9, 1 to 9. Some numbers are missing. Okay, and you have to feel the numbers. Okay, yes, it is something like Sudoku. Yes, you have to apply your brain to solve those riddles, right? Numerical riddles, or numerical, what you can say, problems. Okay, it's almost like that. Okay, so this is the method that we are going to apply. Okay, this is the pattern that we are going to apply to solve this kind of question. So let us answer the things that they have asked. Let us try to answer the things that they have asked. I want all of you to see this part of the video again. Okay, I will put the recordings. You have to see this part of the video again, that how the given data has been put in the formula, and how the observation data has been put in the formula. Okay, because with only given data you cannot solve this Sudoku. Okay, or you just cannot solve this numerical problem. To solve this numerical problem, you have to put the observation data as well. Okay, for example, they said that process is cyclic process, so you put this on your own. You put this on your own because you know that process AB is an isochoric process, so for that W is equal to 0. Fine. So what is work done in the process CA? Chala, answers. What is work done in the process CA? Sir, process CA work done is 20 or plus 20 joule. That's it. Vishay Sampla. Let's verify. In the process CA, volume has increased. It should come out to be a positive value. In the process CA, isobaric process, volume increase, work done positive. Isobaric process, volume increase, work done positive. Verified. Now let us find out internal energy at point B. Internal energy at point A known. Internal energy at point B unknown. Process AB. Process AB चा delta U. Delta U of process AB म्हणजे final energy minus initial energy. Final energy minus initial energy. What is what is delta U of AB? Delta U of AB is 50. Internal energy at point B to be calculated minus internal energy at point A 1500. So internal energy at point B will be equal to 1500 negative. On the left hand side it will become positive, so 1550. Similarly AC process or CA process, delta U of CA is equal to delta of final, sorry, the internal energy of final minus internal energy of initial state. Final minus initial. CA चा delta U किती आहे? CA चा delta U minus 90. What is internal energy at point A? 1500 minus internal energy at point C. This minus you see left hand side positive, minus 90 right hand side plus 90. Check my answers with the module and let me know in the chat box, clear and written. This method is not given in the module, but you will solve with this method only because it addresses all the variety of the problems. Now they just don't have any way to make this question any more complex. Now this question cannot be made any more complex because every single number has been put here in this chart. First law मध्ये काय विचारू शकतात? डेल्टा यू, डब्ल्यू आणि क्यू AB मधला, BC मधला, CA मधला आणि ABCA मधला विचारू शकतात. Everything is known. Let me know in the chat box. Clear and written. I want replies from everyone because this question is that question which will be put in the difficult category of the JEE exam. But if you know the method, then you shall be able to solve it. If you know the method, if you know exact steps, ह्याच्यापेक्षा इझी क्वेश्चन पण नाही. मग generally what happens, students generally don't know what are the exact steps to solve the particular problem, and there they stuck, and then they do trial error, and somehow they find out the answer. That takes a lot of time, and that ultimately builds up the pressure, because ultimately much time has been consumed. So what is advised is, try to know the methods of as many questions as possible. Try to know the methods of as many questions as possible. That will save the time, that will release the pressure on you during the exam. Okay, that's the ultimate mentality we want to create. Okay, fine. So how much time we have? Okay, we have 10 minutes now. Let us solve next question, example 18. Let us solve next question, example 18. Everyone, try to extend data along with me. Question number 18. Are you enjoying or not? Tell me, everyone. सर झोपलो आम्ही, नाश्ता करत होतो मगाशी, आता झोपलो. परत झोपला नाही ना? आता सुटलाय, परत काय झोपताय? सर काल रात्री भरपूर अभ्यास केलाय, हो ना? काल रात्री भरपूर अभ्यास केलाय ना? काय सांगू सर, रात्री 1 वाजेपर्यंत अभ्यास केलाय आम्ही, हो की नाही? तुम्ही दिलेला सगळा होमवर्क कम्प्लीट केला, हो की नाही? आज रात्री सबमिट करणार आहे, होय ना? होमवर्क सबमिट करणार ना सगळे आज? आता डेली होमवर्क देणार आहे, 8-10 क्वेश्चन डेली, आणि डेली सबमिशन. डेली 8 to 10 सबमिशन, 10 to 12 न्यू होमवर्क, रात्री 8 ते 10 मध्ये सबमिशन, 10 ते 12 मध्ये नवीन होमवर्क. गप होमवर्क पहिला कम्प्लीट करायचा, आणि मग काय ऍडिशनल कामं करायची ती करा. मग इथली गणित, तिथली गणित, यातली त्यातली, हे जे काय करायचंय ते करा, भरपूर करा, भरपूर मटेरियल अवेलेबल करून देतो, पण पहिला मला होमवर्क कम्प्लीट करून दाखवायचा डेली. बोला यस नो. सर होमवर्क म्हणताय आम्ही, आता यस नो कसं म्हणू? येऊ देत रिप्लाय. यस सर, करणार आम्ही. गुड. सो टुडे ऍट 8 to 10 PM, आणि दिवसभरात कधीही सबमिशन नाही करायचं, 8 ते 10 मध्येच करायचं. ओके, सो विल हॅव युनिक टाइम, 8 to 10 सबमिशन, 10 to 12 न्यू होमवर्क मी तयार करून पाठवत जाईल डेली. ओके, किंवा इन जनरल रात्री कधीही पाठवत जाईल पुढच्या दिवसाचा होमवर्क. Okay, but that will be available to you in the night time itself, because in the daytime you can at least complete 1, 2 or 3 examples from that homework. Fine. Next, and that will actually help you to solve the entire module along with me itself. Means, as I am completing the chapter, I will be giving the examples in the exercise of the module as a homework, as well as some additional questions I will be putting as a homework also. Okay, that also everyone has to solve. After doing that, you go for the additional. Okay, but that is mandatory for all. Okay, everyone must submit the homework, that is mandatory. After that, you just go for additional things, whatever you are doing. Those doubts also you can ask, no issues there. Fine, let us solve sir question number 18. Let me read. Internal energy of a monoatomic ideal gas. काय दिले बाळ? Monoatomic gas. Ideal gas. Monoatomic ideal gas. Monoatom. Monoatomic. F is equal to sir 3 translational degrees of freedom. The internal energy of monoatomic ideal gas is 1.5 nRT. Okay. So they have written internal energy as 1.5 nRT. As if they think that we just don't know this. We know it is F by 2 nRT. For gas it is F by 2 nRT, and F is 3. So of course 3 by 2 they have written as 1.5. So we already knew it. Fine. Internal energy of monoatomic ideal gas is 1.5 nRT. 1 mole of the helium is kept in a cylinder of cross sectional area. Number of moles 1. We are given helium. Number of moles is 1. We are given helium is put in a cylinder of cross sectional area A. Cylinder of cross sectional area A. A is equal to 8.5 centimeter square. let us directly convert centimeter square into meter square as 10 raised to minus 4. I hope these unit conversions are you are used to with. Okay, so let me write it directly. The cylinder is closed by the light frictionless piston. So piston has no weight, it is light. Okay, there is no friction as well, so no loss of energy against friction. And here you have the helium gas enclosed in the cylinder. Okay, fine sir. Next, the gas is heated slowly in a process during which the gas is heated slowly in a process during which a total of 42 joule heat is given to the gas. Okay, heat is given to the gas, plus 42 minus 42, P or N, reply me in the chat box. 42 joule, a total of plus a total of 42 joule heat is given to the gas, heat given to the gas by positive ki negative, P or N? P, confirm. If the temperature rises through, delta T, positive घेणार, temperature वाढलंय, if the temperature rises through or rises by 2 degrees Celsius or 2 Kelvin, it's a temperature change, no problem. Find the distance moved by the piston. Okay, distance moved by the piston. All right, we don't know whether the piston has moved down or up. Let's show it up. Fine. So let's call this distance as x. So that x is equal to question mark. Find out the distance moved by the piston. Atmospheric pressure is 100 kilopascal. Okay, it's atmospheric pressure. See, above the piston, there is no weight which is placed, or the piston also has no weight. Okay, so on this piston there will be atmospheric pressure. So on this gas there will be atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to piston, pressure due to weight of the piston. So atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to weight of the piston. But sir, piston is light, so because of the weight of the piston there will not be any pressure. So what is the total pressure on the gas? So the total pressure on the gas is pressure due to the atmosphere plus pressure due to the piston, but piston is not having any weight, so neglect about the pressure due to piston. So net pressure on the gas will be atmospheric pressure. So this is going to be a isobaric process. PATM दिलेला आहे त्यांनी आपल्याला, गॅस वरचं जे काय प्रेशर आहे ते, that constant pressure P is equal to PATM. Pressure of the gas is always going to remain PATM. Try to understand how the data is to be extracted from word problems. Okay, so this is going to be, guys, isobaric process. Okay, so during the course of the process, during the time process is taking place, there is no change in atmospheric pressure, and the pressure of the gas is equal to atmospheric pressure. So pressure of the gas is remaining constant. So that means this is isobaric process. So this is the data. Fine. So what to do? What to do to find out this x? So what we can do is, see, we have internal energy. No, we have delta U. So we can have internal energy. NCV delta theta or F by 2 nRT. What is internal energy? Internal energy is F by 2 nRT. What is change in internal energy? Of course, you can write this as internal energy as NCV delta T. Let me write this. U is equal to F by 2 nRT. Delta U is equal to F by 2 nR delta T. Or you can arrive to same formula by this also. Delta U is equal to NCV delta T, and CV is equal to, you know that it is F by 2R. CV is equal to F by 2R. So same formula again you will get. This F by 2, this N, this R, this delta T. So find out internal energy change. We have Q, we have delta W, we have Q, we have delta U. We will find W first. Okay. And after finding out W, if we have the value of W, we can write it as force into displacement. That W can be written as force into displacement. Force can be written as pressure into area, and area is given, and pressure that we know. Okay, so in this way we will be somehow finding out this value of x. Try to observe how. Okay, let us find out delta u. Sir, it is f by 2 nr delta t. What is f? It is 3. What is number of moles? 1. What is r? Sir, 8.3. What is delta t? Sir, plus 2 or simply 2. Sir, 2 cancel. 3 into 3 is 9. 8 into 3 is 24. These many joule. Sir, delta u by formula method. So no need to consider sign. Sign will be taken care of directly. So in this way we will calculate delta u. In this way we will calculate delta u. Okay, sir. Fine. Area is also given to us. Area is also given to us. Fine. Now let us somehow try to find out the work done. Let us try to find out work done. Q is equal to delta U plus W. Q is equal to delta U plus W. So W is equal to Q minus delta U. W is equal to Q minus delta U. Sir, Q is equal to plus 42. Q is equal to plus 42 minus, sir, delta U is 24.9. Delta U is 24.9. Someone just tell me this subtraction. Just tell me this subtraction. किती येते बाळ? We have only 90 seconds left with us. We'll try to do this, and remaining point we'll do in the next lecture. Okay, we'll try to complete as much as possible. Sir, it is 17.1. Okay, fine, it is 17.1. so these many joule. But work done positive आलं. Work done काय आलं बाळ? Positive. So definitely it means it is expansion. Sir, here we have work done positive value. So here we have work done as positive value. So it means expansion. So we have assumed correctly. We have assumed correctly. So sir, now write down that work done as force into displacement. So therefore the displacement is equal to work done upon force. Work done, sir, you already know. And sir, force on the piston. Force on the piston. Force is equal to pressure into area. Pressure into area. And these values just put there. W is 17.1. Sir, pressure is PATM. Take it as approximately, directly, approximately 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Approximation 10 raised to 5 Pascal. And sir, this area is 8.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. No need to write unit in the calculation. Divide by 85 is not a big task. Divide by 85 is not a big task. You can write it as 19 into 5, I think. Am I right? Or 17 into 5. 85 can be replaced by 17 into 5. Divide by 17, divide by 5. 17 give